We are going to learn about some Tahitian and Hawaiian drums. So Tahiti and Hawaii are two islands in the Pacific Ocean that are kind of like where Moana is set, right? That's kind of the land of Moana. So I want you to listen to some Tahitian drumming and think, what do you think about this? So what did you think of that, right? It sounds different than the music we would hear here because it's from a different culture. It's from a different country, right? Hawaii was its own country before it became a state in the United States, and Tahiti is its own country too. So it sounds very different than the music that we hear here. So we have all these kind of drums right here. You see these long, thin ones. What do you think they're made out of? They're made of wood. Yeah, they're made of wood. And then like we have these instruments right here. The bigger ones is actually made out of palm trees. That's pretty cool, right? So let's check out some of these drums. So these drums are from the island of Tahiti. And right here we have the torere. And what do you think that's made out of again? Yeah, that's wood. This is like wood, and it's got that hole carved into it, and they hit it from the sides, and it makes the drumming sound, right? And then right here we have the pahu. The pahu is a bigger drum, and it's made out of like a palm tree, right? You can kind of see that palm tree shape too because they kind of get bigger. Yeah, so that's our palm tree or pahu. Now these are Hawaiian drums. These are drums from the island of Hawaii. We have the ipu right here. We have the panui. The panui is a little drum. We have the panui. And then we have the pahu. Wait, I'm going to go back. Pahu, 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 pahu. So Tahiti and Hawaii are pretty close to each other, so they share instruments. Some instruments, but some are specific to each island. And the pahu is one of the ones that's shared between them. So here's the torere, that drum. So we're going to listen to it a little bit more. Check it out.
For me, I think what's special about the Tahitian drumming is because it's the heartbeat of the Ori Tahiti. It's the heartbeat of the dance, of the whole ensemble. And we have developed different parts, as in mua, ropu, and muri, to accommodate these traditional beats so that they can evolve with time.
So those were some Tahitian drums, the torere, right? And now we're going to listen to some pahu. The pahu are the big drums in the back. There's going to be some other drums in here too, but we're listening to the pahu, the big ones in the back. So back here. was the pahu, right? Now this one is called the ipu. The ipu. This one's my favorite. Check it out.
Hulia ka mauna vela I ke ahi. Hulia ka mauna vela I ke ahi. Vela no puka puka o kuia I hanale. Ke apo haku puula umai uka. Ke kako I o kala mai karua. Kamai kani kolore leo le a. Kani hini kani kua mauna e. Ke a I kai o kukaraura. Aluna au o nene. Kua unana e mari umai. Kui te vale a kuia mauke.
So that was the ipu. The ipu is a neat drum. You might think it's made out of wood, but it's actually not, right? It's made out of something called a gourd, and a gourd is a kind of pumpkin. It's like kind of like a pumpkin. So it's sort of made of like a strange shaped pumpkin that's shaped like a figure eight. And they pull everything out from the inside and they let it dry out, and then it's hollow and it sounds like a drum like that. So that's pretty cool. That's made out of like a cousin of the pumpkin. Now this is the panui drum. This is the panui. Check this out. Right there, do you see it? They're tying it to their legs. They're tying it to their legs. So that one is the panui. That one's a really cool drum because they tie it to their legs so that they can dance and play the drum at the same time, which is pretty gosh darn cool. So those are some of the Tahitian and Hawaiian drums.